Hello guys, welcome back to the, I think, fourth episode of the Battlegrounds game. So in today's episode we are going to complete the character info table as well as add some new stuff. But for now let's just complete the character info table. So we missed a bit of stuff. We missed the moveset, like names and damage and stuff. We also missed the cooldowns. We missed the old move damage. We missed the old move names. We also, yeah, I think that was it. So for the move set, we got the old here. We want to create a new table called moveset in here too. For now we can cut this stuff pretty much out, but we want to create like new stuff here. So this will be the names of the thing. This will basically like be the name of the different stuff and all that. So we actually want to bind all the moves to a separate table to make sure that we can fit all the information in there and not just which keybind it is going to activate. We of course are going to script this in a different script, but just for giving the info table going to be in here. So you have to set the move to like you have to set the name. But yeah, basically it's going to be a table. And this is going to be called 1. We can also just put A1. Just without these then. So like this. We want to copy this for the 2, the 3, and the 4, like this. And also the 5 is going to be the alt, or this will be the this. Yeah, we might as well also just set those things like this. So in here we have the table. So we got the keylines equal to, of course, this. We got to do this for every single one. Let's quickly copy this so we can just paste the rest. Cut this out, paste here, cut this out, paste it here, and lastly cut this out and paste it here. So now we have the different, so let me name this. That was my medal. I think I closed it like 5 times now, but it just didn't want to close for some reason. Well, let me just put it like this. And easy going. I think we closed it now. Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, we did. Okay, so sorry for this, but yeah, this is the normal moves. And this is just the old, not moves, but just the old move. I would name this old activation, like this. And then we also have the name, of course, which would be equal to nothing right now because we need to set it like manually. Then we also got of course, the damage. We do like 10, or no, we're just doing 0 because of course it's the template. So yeah, we're just doing 0 for every one of those. We are also going to do a cooldown. So those two, paste it everywhere. So then we got, let me think of it. We got the hitbox. So hitbox is equal to vector3 dot new 0, 0, 0 right now. Then we also got the hitbox type. So make sure you paste this everywhere too. Oh yeah, and also down here. So I think this was it. Now we need to copy the normal moves. Copy them and paste them inside the move set of the ult. And this would be the ult moves. Like this. And I think this was it. Now we just have to bind all this stuff. So let's check how we have done this. So let me just get the dual lists. And yeah, it's just this. So we need to actually bind this to a table. So every single one of them is going to be a table with the name and then all the stuff. Let me just drag it down here so we can easily do this. So we got the name. Then we got the damage. Then we got the cooldown. Then we got the hitbox type. And then we just do like let me think of hitbox types. So we got sphere, we got block. Let me just name this block. And notice it's a bad name for a like yeah, you know what I mean. But if you got better names, just let me know. Then we got the hitbox, which is going to be vector3 dot new. We just do 555. And I think this was it actually. So yeah. Then we need to copy the whole table. Paste it here. Cut this out. Paste it. And you can adjust the values, of course. Also, make sure you get the comments there. Then we can copy this, paste it here. Oops, get the name. Paste it here. Then copy this, paste here, copy, paste. One last time. Copy, paste, cut, paste, and the comma. Like this. This should be all the things we need. We of course can adjust those values. For the ult, we don't specifically have to set any values or damage because of course it's just activating the ult. So yeah, we don't need it. We just need the name pretty much for the ult. That's pretty much everything. Let me change some of the values to like 4 maybe, not 54, 4 and then 4. This will be like a wider, not like wider, like thinner but longer hitbox. So I think we can just leave the rest. Maybe change this to 333. I think this is it. Yeah. So now we just need to bind this. So let me get the character module. Then let me drag out this. So in here, down here, while we bind all this, we get the thing. And I want to set pretty much everything. So let me just make one for attack 1, or let's say ability 1. So then we need dot name, move 1, dot name, pretty much everything like this. Make sure this is a capital one. Then copy. Let's put some spaces here. Then we got dot damage, copy, paste just. We just paste this like 3 more times. So then we got the cooldown. We got the hitbox type. We got the hitbox. Paste it here too. Adjust this to capital 1. Then we got hitbox type. And lastly, we got the cooldown. Like this. Now we can copy this. Paste it down here. Change it to 2. And then you got to change every single one of these to 2. Like this. Then we can copy this and do it for 3. Can of course also delete this line, then do it for 3. Like this. Then we can cut this out. We can copy this. Also, I missed this, the 3, and this, the 4. It would be faster to like replace them all with like the shortcuts. I'm just doing this for like simplicity. But then we got ability. So we got alt activation. Copy, paste everything like this. Okay, so I think this was pretty much it. Let me see if we change something else. I don't think so. So we got the move sets, we got all this, we got all this. We might as well also set a few other values. So let's close this for now. We want to set the health. We also want to set the speed mode. And then we have to define those two. So get back to your tables, the template, and then do misc. And then you can do template dot, and then we do health equal to 100, and then template dot speed mode is equal to this one. Then you have to copy these two and paste them into every single one of your things and adjust it however you want. Change this to 120, this to 1.1. So the speed mode, I think health is obvious, but the speed mode is pretty much going to change your, like, how fast the character walks. So maybe you know, but the base speed of a make, yeah, I think so. The base speed of a Roblox character is 16, and this is pretty much just going to multiply 16 by the speed mode, so you can also make him slower. But yeah, it's pretty much it. We need to go back here and set those two. So we set the name here. So let's do character info.health is going to be character module.health, and then character info.speed mode is equal to character module.speed mode. This is pretty much it. Then we can run a data reset. So data manager, reset it, hit play again. Then let's go to script output. Okay, we got to select character. Let's select the duelist. There is a, oh, of course we can't put name in there because it's obviously like checking for the name. So let's put character name. So make sure you replace this with every single one here, the character name. Then scroll up and put inside the movesets, put the name to character name everywhere. Also make sure you do this for the ult as well. So the ult moveset, place name with character name. Because otherwise we get this error. Now let's try again. We are going to switch the character. We get a, oh, is there nothing? Let me see. So we got the moveset right here. We index it with the keystroke. Why don't we get a table then? This is confusing me. Why don't we get a key thing? Let me just do I'm gonna be back when I fixed it. Of course, I found the error, so we actually need to put this inside a bracket like this. I'll remove one of those. So make sure you get this right. Get the two. Let me just copy this, paste it everywhere here. Remove one of the equals from every one of those. Then let me copy this, paste, 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 like this. Then you also need to do this for the ult moves. So for the ult and the move sets, we need to do the same thing, but we can just copy and paste all this. Oh, of course. Like this, we want to replace the whole thing, not only this. So make sure you place it equally. You can copy the whole line. I think this makes it easier for replacing it. Then let's get the one and paste it in here. And I think this was it. Let me copy because I was in game, but it's going to ask me if I want to keep my changes. Of course, put yes to keep my changes. So then let's try again, and we get the table. So then we get the attack with the health, we get the speed molds, we get the ults, we get the move sets with the different keybinds, we got everything here. Oh, of course, we don't need to put the keybind because it's already in the name. Why is it false? I'm wondering. Oh, because we don't. Okay, well, this was pretty much my bad. Because, well, we don't need to put this equal to something. Just remove this at the end of any of those. Just remove them. This was my bad. So remove this. And then I think we are good to go. I think. No, we only got the keybinds. This is This is wrong. We only got the keybinds. Let me just put the keybind at last. To hopefully fix this. So when I put it at last, this should hopefully fix itself. Let me see if it does. I know I didn't do it for the whole thing yet. Let's switch to this. Let's go to the ults, to the movesets, the one, and yeah, then we got everything. So let's just switch it down. I think because it's returning something, it's like not letting the rest through. I think this is what's happening. But well, this is just an easy workaround, so you might as well also take it. So make sure you put the keybinds at last for every one of those. Now we could also just use the name of the table, like what we index it with, but just for simplicity, this is way easier. So then we got the moveset in here, but why, like, why is it just the table? I'm wondering. Here it is, here it has like everything, but the values just don't get applied. This is quite concerning actually. I think it's because the rest is, yeah, it's just displaying this because the rest is 0. So we are setting this to values, and because we are, it's not getting printed. Is it the same error? I think it is. Yes, it is. I think. Just put this to like in brackets. I think this is quite the error that we are facing. So then I think this is quite the error. We got alt here. Yeah, I think this is the error. So let's just go back to our, let me just copy this and paste it. It's just templates anyways. Oh, I think I forgot the templates. So oh yeah, yeah, makes sense why it didn't work. Makes sense when I don't change up the whole thing. Makes completely sense. So we can revert all this back. But yeah, of course, it makes a whole lot of sense when I just don't change the rest of the values. It just makes sense that it doesn't work. This we can just set it to all like nothing. Let's just do this real quick. So we can copy the empty table, paste it into Street Fighter. Up here, we can easily replace the names. So we got the name here, then we got the name here for the spin around. We got the whirlwind kick. We got the kick down. And lastly, we got the Street Fighter's Rage. Suddenly, I'm not the one who picked the names. Of course not. So we don't have to apply any value sets. Let's just try it out. So we got Street Fighter. Let's check it out. So we got this. And of course, now we got everything. that we need. When I switch to duelist, we of course have a complete table because it has all the different things completed. As you can see, the character name. Why did I put character name? It's supposed to be ability name. Sorry, I'm kind of mixing stuff around. So just make sure you put this to ability name. It's not like that concerning when we don't change it. It's just like something in our script, but just for the simplicity, like not for some, like for the just clearance, so we don't get mixed around with like the character name, ability name, just anything. Just make sure you place those. And now it should be good to go. So duelist, with the attack, everything, the move sets, the different things, ability name, cooldown, damage, hitbox type, all the stuff like this. So now I think, yeah, this was pretty much it. Then the last thing we need is actually, I think that was it. I think we got the ults, we got everything. No, we don't. So in the template, we want to copy the whole table. Go down the line so we can open it again and do template dot alt moveset. The alt moveset. We don't have to change anything in this, but we just want to have it. You want to copy this, paste it over to your Street Fighter, paste it over to just all the things you have. So copy this again, go to duelist, paste it, copy duelist, paste it. Then you can of course change however this like changes however you want, like the name, damage, everything. But I'm just going to paste this. So then we get to the alt moveset. So then we can just copy this, copy it, paste it. Then we just want to do one thing. We want to put the alt moveset here. Actually, we don't. We want to put dot alt dot moveset like this. Just paste it like this. Okay, let's just change one of those. Character module dot alt move set. Copy, paste, 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 and paste. Paste this everywhere. Like this. So then we got the things here. So then we need just need the dot alt, really. Like this. So then we can try it out. Switch to the duelist, and we should see that our alt moveset is there and ready to be like changed around. So now we got everything changed. Why do we miss something here? The hitbox isn't defined. In the one, the hitbox isn't there. Just in the one. Just in one from duelist, hitbox isn't there. Let me quickly see what's going on. Hitbox is there. Did I forgot to bind it? Let me see. I got the hitbox. Oh yeah, I missed the X there. So make sure you don't get any typos, because this is not going to error you. You have to find the error yourself, because it's a table and it's indexing something in a table, so you always have to check everything twice. But now we got everything there. We got the old moveset, which just has 4 entries. Then we got the normal moveset, which has 5 entries. We got everything there. The hitbox is here missing there too. I think I just forgot the X there too. So let's go up. Yeah, I indeed forgot the X there too. So yeah, now we are ready to go. This was pretty much it for this video. Now we are really complete in getting to script the hitboxes and the punching and just the ability handler in general in the next episode. Now we have a packed info table with all the stuff we are going to need. For displaying this down here, we got everything. We got the ability name, the cooldown, damage, hitbox, the hitbox type, the keybinds. We got everything. We just got everything. And pretty much as long as we have this character table, we can pretty much script everything in the game. So yeah, I think the next episode will be on Friday. Yeah, so on Thursday tomorrow, there will be another one for the animator defense. And on Friday, we are going to start with scripting this stuff. So yeah, see you in the next video. And yeah,